Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making elephant ear beans fry. Finely chop the beans. Beans half kg. Onion 1 finely chopped. Please give me suggestion what kind of video shall I upload. Oil 2 tablespoon. Mustard seed 1 tablespoon. Onion chopped. Handful of curry leaves. Now add chopped beans. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please press bell icon. Salt as per taste. Mix everything. Close the lid. Cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Chili garlic powder 2 tablespoons. Saute for 2 minutes. It's ready to eat. Enjoy with roti or rice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.